HIV and AIDS kills millions of people across the nation each year, and it's a big issue here in Sarasota County. Local groups will offer free HIV/AIDS testing as part of National Black HIV/AIDS Awareness Day this week. SNN Local News 6 reporter Jessica Jordan is live at the Genesis Health Center, one of the locations for those free screenings beginning tomorrow. She joins us now with the details. Jessica.
Yes, staff will set up shop out here tomorrow from 9 a.m. to noon, and they say it's sometimes hard to get people to come out to these free screenings, so they are banking on the help of volunteers to help them do that, to encourage people in the community that these tests could mean the difference between life and death.
You are lost hope. You have nothing.
Oscar Barton knows what it's like to be homeless. He struggled with drug addiction, living on the streets of Sarasota.
And then it gets to a point where you get sick and tired of being sick and tired that, you want to find a new way of life. And, far as I'm concerned, that's where we come.
Now Barton hits the streets, encouraging people to get tested for HIV and AIDS. He's a volunteer with the Multicultural Health Institute, one of several groups working with the Sarasota County Health Department to provide free HIV/AIDS testing and education all month.
One of the concerns is that the majority of people diagnosed before 30 contracted it as teenagers, and more than half of high school students are sexually active.
Dr. Merritt says 15% of HIV cases in Florida affect youth, and 80% of those cases affect African American youths. To help stop the spread, these volunteers will reach out to people who may not have had a health screening in years. They're hoping their efforts will save someone's life.
Don't be afraid. I was afraid at one time. I can say I've been there where they are, but I have hope today. I have a lot of hope.
Over the next week, several health organizations will set up shop all over Sarasota County. And to get a list of those locations, you can contact the Sarasota County Health Department. Live in Sarasota, I'm Jessica Jordan for SNN Local News 6.
Now, Jessica, these are free screenings. How is this being funded?
They are depending on grants and donations from people in the community to purchase this medical equipment that they use to administer these free tests. And they're also depending on the help of volunteers, people who just donate their time week after week to spread the word, to pass out flyers, even go door to door spreading the word about these free tests.